Hey, welcome fellas to your next video on the series of learning HTML and CSS. In this video, we will discuss lists in HTML. Lists, as the name suggests, are used to create lists in HTML. HTML offers us to create three types of lists: ordered lists, unordered lists, and description lists. Let's see how each of these lists look like. As you can see, the ordered lists use some kind of an ordering mechanism to index each of the elements in the list. On the other hand, an unordered list does not maintain such a unique index. A description list is totally different and uses indentation to specify list items. It is important to note that we can nest any type of list within a particular list. Let us try creating an unordered list. To create an unordered list, we use the UL tag. Inside the UL tag, we list all the list items which belong to that list inside the li tag. And that's it. Hit save. We see our list displayed. As we can see, the list uses round bullets by default in front of each list item. These round bullets are actually known as the list marker. We can surely change the list marker by using the CSS list style type attribute available in the UL tag. By default, its value is set to disk. Try changing the property to square. As we can see, the bullets change. I leave other options for you to explore. Now let us try attaching a custom image to be used as our bullet pointer. We use the list style image property in order to set a custom image as our list bullet or the list marker. Inside the list style image property, we define the URL of the image resource and set it. In order to specify a URL in CSS, we use URL followed by the path inside the parenthesis. In case of an external style sheet, the path must be specified with respect to the style sheet file and not the HTML file. Hit save. See, we get the bullets needed, but they are not of appropriate size. HTML does not offer to resize the bullets of an unordered list using coding. So we need to manually resize the image in order to get the image of appropriate size. Now let us define an ordered list. An ordered list just uses the OL tag instead of the UL tag. So let me just copy paste the above list and use OL instead of UL. And see, we have our ordered list. As in the case of unordered lists, we surely can change the numbering. Numbering in an ordered list is known as the marker of the list. To change the marker, simply use the type attribute in the OL tag. Let us set it to A. We can also use the list style type to set the marker. The rest is left for the viewer to explore. Great. Now let's have a look at the description lists. Description lists are used to define terms on a web page. The description lists are created using the DL tag. Inside of the DL, we specify the terms we want to define using the DT tag. The DT tag refers to description terms. The description terms tells us what terms we will define inside the description list. Now we use the DD tag, which stands for description data, to define each term in our list. We hit save and voila, a description list is created. If you remember, I did mention that we can nest list within list. Try creating the following list using nesting. Pause the video now and give it a try. Hope you were able to make it. Let's see how we can do this in code. We see that item 1, item 2 and item 3 are a part of an ordered list. So we create that ordered list first and set the list marker. Now we use nesting to nest the unordered list within the first ordered list. After placing the sub item 2, there is yet another ordered list inside. So we create another ordered list inside the sub item 2. Inside item 2, similarly, we nest another ordered list. We now nest the other unordered list with list marker as square. We hit save and yes, we get the desired output. Well, this was all about lists in HTML. Hope you are liking this series and are gaining good knowledge. By now, you have completed 5 videos in this HTML series. Heartiest congratulations for the same. After every 5th video, I will post a link to an HTML quiz for you to extend your knowledge even further. Do try the HTML quiz. I have posted the link in the description of this video. In the next video, we will discuss about hyperlinking in HTML and image maps. Till then, happy coding.